starting with the stomps and your arms are here. So there's no space between your arms and your body. They're glued and they're like here. They're high. They're quite high. As a general sensation, your arms, this high arm part, should never be glued to the body. No. There's all the time sensation of a little cloud. Yeah? Cloud here. So your elbows are supported. Yeah? They are alive. They're moving. They can move along the body, out, across if they need. Yeah, they're never glued. The feeling of the little air passing through your armpits. Yeah, and the ability to use the elbows, to lift the elbows when I want, and from the elbows, expand or go closer, or expand or go closer. Now, where are the arms? They're a little bit too high. Yeah, so it's very close to a position of ah, or to chirp, 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 chirp. So this is my waist, and this is the zone of my waist. This is it, yeah? Like as if I'm going to tell you something, I'm just go, Ani. Yeah, this is it, you know, that's the distance. You see what I'm saying? I'm not going to say Ani, because all of a sudden this implies that I'm projecting something above. Ani. I'm not going to say Ani, and I'm just going to say Ani. Yeah, it's here. The arms are here. And yeah, and we put them with the palms down, yeah? Rarely we do this, only sometimes in the African movement, yeah, we open the palm up. Its palms are facing down, and I don't need to fix it. I just circulate here, as if when I'm talking to you, try just talking to me as well now. My arms are circulating like the belly area, yeah, this is where it's comfortable, because from here, as you see, I can move my arms everywhere. I can say this, or I can say that, but in the end, what I'm gonna say, it's here. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So even if you just mime along with me and you go, when I buy this thing and why buy that thing, what I feel is just what it is. You see that choreography of arms, it's already here. Tapa-doo-ba, so it doesn't need to be here. It's in a comfortable place where I can talk to you. You know, I can dance and I can still talk to you. I can say that. But then I can, maybe I'm confused, I don't know, but when I dance, I kind of expressing myself, and my arms they're just in the comfortable area. This was just a practice of talking and using your arms, feeling the harmony and the natural part of it, yeah? So be sure to not clip them to yourself. Chirp, 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 chirp. Allow them freedom of a conversation.